Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see best data structure and algorithm tutorial and courses. So data structure is used to specify how you can store the data, how you can access the data, and how you can perform an operation over the data. So in this video we are going to see top 5 data structure courses which will help you to learn the data structure and will clear your concepts regarding the DSA. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. The first course in our list is Master the Coding Interview Data Structure plus Algorithm. The course provider is a Udemy. Almost 96,545 students has already enrolled in this course. The course is a bestseller course that is provided by Udemy. The last update on this course is in June 2021 only. The language of this course is in English. The following course will include 19 hours of on-demand videos, 52 articles, 4 downloadable resources, 1 coding exercise, full lifetime access. You can access this course over mobile or TV and you will get certification on completion. So no matter if you are watching over TV or mobile, the course is absolutely accessible. You can access over a lifetime. You just have to pay 490 rupees and course will be available for you for over the lifetime. Through this course, you will learn and implement how to use different data structure. You will learn to how to use different algorithm, and you will become a better developer by mastering computer science fundamental. So these are the key points that course follows. If you want to see the course content, then there are 22 sections, 259 lectures and 19 hours 34 minutes total length of this course. You can see each and every section in deep and can see what are the topics that going to cover in this section. And if you want to see what is the prerequisite, then no experience is required prior to this. You should have a basic understanding regarding one of the programming language. It can be C, it can be C++, it can be Java, Python, anything. You can watch a preview video over the course over here, and you can, after watching the video, you can select if you want to enroll in this course or not. So this is the course that I'm going to suggest you. As 490 is current price, the price will change according to Udemy policies. You will get certification, you will create a project in this course. I will put the link of this course in the description box below. You can go and you can read the description, you can watch the preview video and then select if you want to enroll in this course or not. The second course that I'm going to suggest you is Data Structure and Algorithm Specialization. The course provider is Coursera. The course offered by University of California. Almost 228,648 students has already enrolled in this course. This is a 100% online course. The schedule is flexible. It is an intermediate level course. Basic knowledge, at least one of the programming language like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, any one of the programming language. It will take approximately 8 months to complete, and Coursera suggests a pace of 6 hours per week. The course language is in English and subtitles present over various languages. Through this course, you will learn basic algorithm techniques such as greedy algorithm, binary search, sorting and dynamic programming, and you can apply various data structures like stack, queues, hash, and binary search, graph, and finally you will apply graph and string algorithm to solve real world problem. The skill you will gain during the learning of this course, you can watch all the skills over here. You can read the description about the specialization in this paragraph. During the learning of this course, you will create 2 real world projects also. You can see the course description, the specialization description over here. There are total 6 courses and in this specialization. Course 1 is this, course 2, course 3, course 4, course 5 and course 6. You can see all the course over here. This is also one of the best course provided by Coursera as the course offered by University of California. You will get certification, you will create a project, and of course you have to pay a specific amount to Coursera before enrolling in this course. I will put the link of this course in the description box below. The third course that I am going to suggest is Algorithm and Data Structure. The course provider is Pluralsight. The level of this course is a beginner. The last update of this course in June 16, 2020. The duration of this course is almost 3 hours. During the learning of this course, you will learn array and you will analyze the algorithm. Next, you will discover several data structures like linked list, tags, queues, binary trees, and hash table. And finally, you will explore how to modify a real-world application. You can see the course topic over here. You can also watch a preview video over here. In this course you will get certification, you will create a project, but you have to subscribe to Pluralsight before enrolling in this course. If you are using the Pluralsight for the first time, then you can select the 10 days free trial and can learn the whole course in the 10 days, and after learning the course you can unsubscribe to Pluralsight also. So in this way you can learn and you can you can clear your concepts regarding data structure, and also you will create a project also. This is also one of the best course provided by Pluralsight. You will get certification, you will create a project. Of course, you have to pay some specific amount to Pluralsight before enrolling in this course, but the course is one of the best course, and I will put the link of this course in the description box. The fourth course that I'm going to suggest you, that Intro to Data Structure and Algorithm. The course provider is Udacity. The course is absolutely free. It will take approximately 4 weeks to complete. The skill you will gain is an intermediate level skill. The course will introduce you to common data structure and algorithm in Python. You will review frequently asked technical interview questions and learn how to structure your response. You will answer practice problem and quiz to test your ability. You will practice mock interviews and specific recommendations for improvement. So through this course, you will gain technical skills regarding data structure, how to clear interview, how to clear MNC coding interview. They will give you a knowledge regarding interviews also. This is absolutely free course. You will not get certification, you will not create a project, but the technical skill you will gain with the help of this course. This is absolutely free course provided by Udacity. I will put the link of this course in the description box. The fifth course, or I can say the tutorial that I'm going to suggest you, is data structure. The tutorial provider is Grix or Grix. This is absolutely free tutorial. You can access anytime when you want to learn data structure. It will clear your each and every concept regarding data structure, whether it is a topic, whether it is for technical interview, whether it is a coding interview. Grix of Grix will help you in each and every way regarding data structure. You can see the topics also over here: array, linked stack, queues, binary tree, heap, hashing, graph, matrix, and all the advanced data structure topics over here. You will see the coding questions also. You can learn the technical skills also. You can also see the experiences of interviewer after giving the technical interview. All the topics you can find over here. This is absolutely free course. You can access anytime. You will not get certification, you will not create any project, but the learning is absolutely free. That is provided by Grix for Grix. You can explore each and every topic and you can go through it, and it will clear your concept. Before enrolling any of this course, just go through the Grix of Grix material, and it will clear your concept regarding data structure, and it might help you to select the best course in the market. So I will put the link of this course in the description box below. You can go, you can see, and you can learn data structure with the help of Grix of Grix. So these are the top 5 courses that I'm going to suggest you. Just go through this, and some of them are free, some of them are paid, but all the courses that I have suggested is absolutely bestseller courses in the market. You can also watch our article over best data structure and algorithm. I will put the link of this article in the description box below. I will put the link of all the 5 courses and tutorial in the description box below. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn data structure and algorithm. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.